You searched how to buy shares of Lenzing AG. This quick guide covers the practical steps for purchasing Lenzing AG, a maker of sustainable wood-based cellulosic fibers for textiles and nonwovens. Lenzing AG trades on Xetra under the ticker LEN.DE, and this video is educational only, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account, and we use eToro as an example to show the process. After signing up, you will usually need to verify your account with an identity document and add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform search box and type the ticker LEN.DE to find Lenzing AG. Make sure you select the listing traded on Xetra to locate the correct stock. Open the asset page to view basic company information and the price chart for context. Confirm the page shows ticker LEN.DE and the Xetra exchange to ensure this is the right security. Click the Invest or Buy button, enter the amount you want to purchase, then carefully review the order details and confirm to submit it. If the market is closed, your order may be queued or set as a limit depending on the platform. And if funds are insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add money before completing the purchase. Once executed, your Lenzing AG position will appear in your portfolio for monitoring, and you can review trade details there. For the eToro link and more information, check the description below.